Y'all, welcome back to another vlog and another winter storm. Okay, yes, another one. Week it was an ice storm. Today is actual snow. Yes, y'all, I don't know what's going on with Georgia, but I ain't moved down here for this. Okay, this is what we used to get back home. Okay, regular. Okay, I didn't sign up for this, y'all. This too cold. It's too cold. It's too cold. Okay. I did work today. I was working 11 to 8, y'all. All morning. I feel like it's all day and all night. Okay. We closed early. Thank God. Okay. Because it ended up being bad in some areas. And I was just like, thank God they finally decided to close. I went and grabbed myself something to eat. I did do takeout because I don't know. I just didn't want what I had in the house. I did a meal from Chili's. They had a 3 for me, where you get a soda, choice of a drink, entree, and a appetizer. Either a salad, salsa chips, or a soup. Salsa chips because I have salad in the house and I didn't want a salad. And I just got like a chicken sandwich, and it came up to like $13 and something. So I had got that. So I got the honey chipotle chicken sandwich with fries. It was real good, y'all. I did just purchase myself a Kindle. I already did an unboxing. While I filmed the unboxing for, I guess, TikTok, for my TikTok on Instagram. Letting this charge. It says set up your Kindle, so I'll probably do that later. I'm gonna let it charge first because it's saying something about if you have the Kindle app, it'll be easier. Go ahead and sit that there. Yeah, I did go to the store yesterday. Oh, I already showed that. So I went to Trader Joe's. Let me show you. Some snacks. I was looking for that French onion popcorn. They didn't have it. Getting this here popcorn to try. New popcorn. This is the Buffalo Ranch. And then I got some granola for my yogurt. My parfaits I like to make. Any of those popcorns, let me know. Yeah, so I'm sitting here trying to figure out if I'm gonna do the dishes first or what. I just purchased this stuff. I haven't even gotten around to washing that out, cleaning this off, and doing the dishes. Like these here, I gotta clean out as well. Yeah, I got so much to do. And now since I'm off, and I'm off. So we got out early, and then I'm off Sunday and Monday. So I have a lot of time to do what I need to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and washing dishes. But I just wanted to get on here and say, hey, y'all, when I tell you we had people mad that we were closing early, I'm like, go home. Why are y'all out in this bad weather? Like, please go home. I promise you will be okay, all right? If you need it right away, just do a BOPUS order and you can pick it up tomorrow, okay? Like, seriously, y'all. The things that I have seen and dealt with working retail. When I tell you I haven't worked retail in years. The last time I worked retail, I don't know if y'all know, but it was called Value City. Yeah, that's how long that's been. That was in the early 90s, and that was back home. And so, fast forward now to Sephora. Yeah, here is crazy, okay? Like, it's freezing cold. Do you think I would be worried about going to some, not cold, because, okay, cold don't keep everybody in the house, but I'm talking about if it's icy, if the news, when you turn on the news, they tell you stay home if you don't got to come out. I'm talking about that type of weather. And when you hear that type of information broadcast over the radio, the news and everything, stay yourself at home. There's no need for you to need anything. Like, I'm just saying. You got Fifi. But yeah, y'all, I'm just like, Fifi done found something to play with, y'all. Figure out, I need to clean, but I think I might take a little break because I did just get finished eating. But I don't know. I may just go ahead and start doing my dishes now and have this stuff soak and do the actual dishes. So let me go ahead and do that, and I'll turn the camera back on in a little bit. I'm back. I just got finished doing the dishes, cleaning out all the new kitchen stuff that I bought from TJ Maxx and Home Goods. Here you go. I did get the raspberry. I will link this down below, you all. So if you want to get a Kindle like Miss Tamika, and if so, maybe we could start like a whole book club thing. Like, I'll say maybe once every 2 months we can like check back in. Everybody has a life. People work, they got kids, they got, responsibilities, and sometimes you're tired, sometimes you're not. So I just say that to say, instead of having a check-in every 30 days, it could be every 2 months. So if anyone is interested in that, let me know down below, because like I said, we can start our own Miss Tamika's book club. Like, suggest different books. The ones who into the Kindle, like, y'all can recommend really good books. For me, I want to start off small with reading. Like, I don't want to read 500 pages of books. I want to kind of start off small and work my way up, because again, I am new to reading books. Don't mind that. This is trash. In a book club, like I said, I am new to reading. So like I said, I would love to start off small and work my way up to thicker books. Of course, it's a Kindle, so you won't actually see how thick the book is, but far as pages. So I feel like for me, realistically, I just want to, like I said, start off small. Interested in something like that, let me know, because like I said, I have a Kindle. Even if you don't have a Kindle, we can all agree on reading the same book and do it that way as well. Like I said, I just set her up. What it say? It's that my audio book is on here. So in order to listen to an audio book, you have to connect this to a Bluetooth speaker. Not sure which book I'm going to start reading yet. But once I do decide on which book, I will let y'all know, because I do have I did sign up for the unlimited Kindle, where you can read whatever you want to read. Audio. I'm wondering if you could connect. Oh, so it's no place where you can like connect with this to see. I want to read my first book, Sugar Baby. Oh, I may read that. Sugar Baby Life, or Sugar Baby app. So you get men to fund your lifestyle. So I don't know about that. So let me go ahead and figure out what book I want to start reading first. My accessories and things will be coming on February the 4th. And then also, y'all, I am off for 2 days. So I have my bedazzle stuff. So I'm going to probably bedazzle some things in my makeup stash. So now, yeah, what else? Oh, y'all, I know I may be late, okay? I know. I started using dish gloves, and I did buy like the off-brand Target dish gloves, but y'all, I ended up purchasing, I forgot the brand. These were a little more pricey, but to me, they are worth it. Oh my gosh, it's so much better using dish gloves. I don't know what I was thinking. So yeah, I love my dish gloves. The water can be hot and I can't feel it in them dish gloves. And I don't have to worry about down my arms getting all wet and messy. Yeah, I like them dish gloves. I don't know what made me buy them. I think it's because of my nails. It's a reason why I bought them, but I don't remember. So it's 6 o'clock. Yeah, I'm just so happy. After getting off the time I got off today, I would love to work a morning shift to get in and get out, like a 6 to 2, a 8 to 4, something like that, because it just feels nice to be home around this time, and you know, I done did the dishes. I just got finished vacuuming the floor, because now since I have Fifi, you know, Fifi do shed, so I like to vacuum every so often. Time left over, like, yes. And Fifi didn't jump in the camera today, y'all. I don't even know where she at, but you know how she do when I'm filming. She didn't do it today. So yeah, I wasn't ready to take off this makeup, but I'm gonna probably go sit down and relax for a little while, because it is still early. Get an apple cider tea packet from work, so later on tonight I'm gonna warm that up and maybe put in 2 cookies, them cookie butter cookies I bought from Whole Foods. Last time I cooked them a little too long. This time I'm gonna make sure I cook them right. Load a video and watch some TikTok videos on this here Kindle, so I can see, you know, what's what. I would have liked to have it in color, but yeah, it's fine. But like I said, my accessories come on the 4th, and of course I have to work, so I don't know when I'll be able to show y'all that. I was hoping I can get like a overnight type thing, but nothing. The earliest date they had was February the 4th. So yeah, so let me go ahead and find something to do. So yeah, you all, I guess I'll see y'all the next time I turn on the camera. But for right now, y'all stay safe, be warm, and I will talk to y'all in the next vlog.